Hi everyone, this is Jess and welcome to my music world. Okay, pasensya din mo sa akong camera ha, kay it's nighttime and klaro kayong mga lamok, so I apologize. I don't have the capacity, charot. Wala pa ako kapalit og nindot na camera, and I'm too tired to go outside, kaya it's not safe. Okay, right, so it's been weeks or perhaps more than a month already that you've been seeing me in my videos through my Facebook page and my Facebook account. So I've been singing songs in 3 to 4 voices, and the last song that I uploaded, which I sang in 4 voices, I think, was the song "I Love the Lord" by Father Arnel, Aquino SJ. So my content for today is that this is a tutorial video, so shout out dahil sa akong boyfriend, no? Thank you, babe, for suggesting this content. Charot.
Sana all!
Alright, so since this is a tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to sing the song "I Love the Lord" by Father Arnel Aquino SJ. I've come up with this idea because nakita na ko nga dinhi sa dinhi sa Philippines, it's very hard for us to read musical notes. So every time mag-practice ta sa atong choir, it will take like at least an hour to learn perhaps one song, no? Dili pa gani tingali enough ang one song. In other countries, for example, in Indonesia, so I was there and I was able to experience good their musical practices. 30 minutes is too long for one song to learn. Kaya nga no, they everyone, all of them can read musical notes. So, and not just that, they know how to sound do in key of C. They know how to sound do in key of D. So it's pretty amazing. And kita kay we learn by hearing. So dugay jud ta maka-on. Okay. So I'm gonna be starting with soprano. By the way, kani siya nga song, I took the partiture from SATB Chorale. So shout out to the SATB Chorale. Thank you for uploading the partitures online. So like me nga nawala ang songbooks, I was able to find the partiture of the song online. Alright, so to start, of course, like akong keyboard. Char. So I have to bring my keyboard here in front of me para masugdan na nato ang ato practice. So okay, so nana akong keyboard. Alright. Okay, so magsugod ta sa soprano. Kani siya nga song is ang chorus naman ay voicing, no? Soprano, alto, tenor, bass. So we will start with soprano. Ang soprano sa yun nara, it's common sa tuwa. Sure ko, especially sa katong kabalo na sa song, kay moment to siya ang katong original nga tono. Wala yung mga pa-etchos. Okay, before we proceed, I just wanted to correct the first part sa soprano nga part. Usually manggod kani nga song, I observed ha sa most groups nga akong nadunggan is if you observe, ang first part niya is ba I love the Lord, He is filled. Kanang part nga He is filled, straight ra na siya. He is filled, dili siya He is filled. That's different. So, I've been hearing groups, yung mga choir sa simbahan, mostly akong gakadunggan, they sing it, incorrectly. So, usually ilang ginapataas na he he is filled. That's wrong. Wrong good kaya na siya. Very wrong. Ang correct is he is filled with compassion. Then, dito na sa ikaduha, sa next part na ka nga kanang mo sakasak na na na. Kaduha is he turned to me on the day diha na on the day diha na tam masaka ka na og on the day that I called, o diba? So naa siya difference. Hopefully katong mga choir nga hangtod karon gakanta pa sa katong sa kanaog sa first part. Hopefully next time manganta mo niya ng usbon. Para naman mahatagan natong hustisya, we can give justice to the one who arranged the song. Okay, it's a sign of respect. Once you sing the song correctly, according sa kanang mga sa nota, well, it's a very big sign of respect to the one who composed the song and the one who arranged it. Okay, so ano to siya? So muna ni ang soprano. Okay, so soprano. Okay, now let's proceed. Let's proceed with alto. Since kani siya nga song is key of D, so mo ni atong do. Mo ni tiyog sa do. Do. Okay, so ang sigdanan sa alto, same ra sa soprano. Ang soprano po I love, diba ang soprano I love the Lord. Ang kaning alto I love the Lord, re, do. Okay, so dili na ko duyugan ha para mas klaro siya. I love the Lord, He is filled with compassion. He turned to me on the day that I called from the snares of the dark. Oh Lord, save my life, be my strength. So, mo to siya ang alto. Okay, now, let's proceed with tenor. Okay, usually ang tenor, mga lalaki yun mo kanta nga part. So, babae man ko, I'll sing it in a way nga, kantahon kong, in a way nga, kanang binabae nga tingog. So, pagpasensyahan na ninyo akong tingog, no? Pasensyahin na yun kay, I'm really not a good singer. I know nga, dili tsada akong tingog. But, at least, hindi masyadong yabag. So, kuan ka nang pasensya ko yung mapya ako ron, ko. Kay, honestly, taas jud ang tenor. Nya, ibi ako, okay, naglalaki ang mukanta ni, no? Why mo ko? My God. So, ang first note sa tenor is, kuan, kani, hi, my God, hi, char. Sige, go. I love the Lord, He is filled with compassion. He turned to me on the day that I called from the snares of the dark. Oh Lord, save my life, be Grabe. So, moto siya ang tenor. Okay, so now ang last part, which is ang bass. Kung ganina sa tenor, taking kayo. Kay pasang taas sa kanipod, may gid ambot no sa ako napapabos ang tingog ganiron, no? Kay ubos man ko tingog baya, pero murag di ko sure kung kaya na ko nga ubos gyud kay ni siya, no? My gid. Alright, so ang first note sa bass is kani. Ay, ubos na siyabdanan. Sunod ang kang sa uban pang mga notes sa ani, musunod, no? Ay, I love the Lord. He is filled with compassion. He turned to me on the day that I called from the snares of the dark. Oh Lord, save my life, be my strength. What the Okay, so nahuman na kita sa four voices sa chorus sa I Love the Lord, no? And I guess maulang to siya kay ang verses kay wala may any arrangements, one voice lang, and it's unison, so I don't think I need to show it to you. If you would like to listen to the full video of the song that I've uploaded already in my YouTube channel, shoutout my YouTube channel. Yes, I do have a YouTube channel. It's 10 years old already. Okay, so in your YouTube search bar, just type in Jessamine Alo, JESSAMINE space ALO, and then hit subscribe. And of course, do not forget to click the bell for notifications. And you can also follow me on my Facebook page, which is #music. Okay, so or of course, i-insert na ko din, I will insert just a clip of my video for I Love the Lord para you will be able to to have an idea how it sounds, how the four voices sound kung usahaw na ang mga tingog. Okay, so here it is. So thank you again for watching, and